Right now we're going to remove that engine. So I'm showing you the bolts that connect that engine to the frame. There's only 3 of them holding this 250cc single cylinder Kawasaki engine. And I'm pointing out these points that mount to those bolts. Here is our master link. This is a one piece to connect that chain, but you got to disconnect the chain to take off the engine. Here's another piece that slides over that. And here's your master link connector. All 3 of those have to come off to remove the chain and remove the engine. So right now I'm taking that chain off of the sprockets. Slide straight off the front, and you slide it through the frame, and there's your chain right there. It's about a 4-5 foot long chain. Now I'm gonna show you the carburetor. This is a Mikuni carb, a 32 millimeter, and it slides right into that boot on top of the engine. And here is our front sprocket cover and our shifting mechanism. This is where the clutch line runs to, and it allows that shifter to move freely when shifting.
I lay here thinking about what you did. I know it was wrong, baby, but I'm ready to forgive. Baby, you've got to tell me what's going through your head. Can't spend one more night. Ooh, sleeping with lonely bed.
Just the other day, we got some new Scott grips and new handlebars. So I'm gonna show you how that fit goes. We got some Pro Taper SE 7/8 race bend, SX race bend handlebars, as I'm showing you right now. These were a whopping $70, but Pro Taper is the best in the name. So let's go see how they fit. Well, it's time to review the engine. Those handlebars fit perfectly. Now we're going to go over some of the points on the engine that I've already done. We've already replaced the spark plugs, and we need a Kickstarter. The Kickstarter came in today, so we'll have to show you that later. I need to sand all that down and replace that rubber boot for the carburetor. And now I'm pointing out I've cleaned out that air intake line, and I need to sand the rest of the face of the engine down. But that Kickstarter is what really needs to get put on. I'm showing you the line of the air intake and the face of that engine. Now let's go get that Kickstarter and show you. This is off of a 73 F7 and I have an F11 in hopes of that Kickstarter would fit on there. It doesn't. It's 13 millimeters at the boot, where the F11 takes a 19 millimeter at the boot. I've already tried to put it on and I've already tried to bend it where it would fit on, but it's just not working.
Lord, and stay with me.
That's going to be it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content in this series. Thank you.
Get myself another woman.